This time around, I do not think it's a bubble, though. The thing is there's just a structural deficit of silver. Um, there's so much industrial demand for it now. Past 5 years in a row, there's been right around a 200 million a year ounce deficit on what's actually mined and the scrap market. And I see no end to it because this whole AI thing and the data centers, they're using more and more silver. They're pressing out every, they're trying to get every little thing to get a little bit more speed, a little bit more memory, and a little bit more computing power. And nothing in the world conducts electricity better than silver. They're actually making like all the computer cables in those data centers, they're switching them over to silver just to get a little bit more speed. So I see it well over $100 by this time next year.
Okay, so if I'm a consumer and I have a gold bracelet or a silver bracelet, would you tell me to hold on to that silver bracelet and not sell it to you just yet if the price is going to be higher next year?
I would say keep it around, but then again, I've been wrong before. But as far, I mean, and then you have the whole geopolitical thing. China just bought 2 months in a row, it broke records on the amount of gold for its strategic reserves. The U.S. government is now considering silver a strategic commodity. So I don't know exactly what that means, but I'm assuming the government will start buying it back. And I'm not, what I personally own, in my own investments, I'm not selling right now because I think it's got a long way to go because it's just we're printing too much money and every central bank wants it, and I see the demand staying there for a long time.
So I want to get to all of the things that you just outlined there, but first I wanted to touch on something that you said, that you are having demand that is well outpacing supply. Why is
Yes.
that? Because if the gold prices and silver prices are so high, I would assume that the cure for high prices is high prices. Consumers would say this is too expensive, but you're not seeing that. Why?
What I'm seeing is like someone bought 40 or 50 ounces a couple years ago, and now they're saying the price is high. I'm going to sell it, but like investors that spend a lot more money, they're buying it, and I guess they're saying what I'm saying. There's a structural deficit with silver,
Right.
and it's supply and demand. There's not one silver mine left in the world.
Oh, really? I did not
All
know
the
that.
silver's all the silver right now is just residual from copper mines and gold mines, but there's no